And it's a beautiful brand new day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, probably good night, depending on where you're watching us from. Yeah, we be watching Akwaba a Coastal TV morning mix jumedie and neso yede ebro. Nyame ayadum kokroko ade achi bia. Yada sorry ne wa hoden kwa de ede asede dikan ema otumfo nyankopon. Megidi say the biawo bia wo hwe Coastal TV anopai no wonso wo hoye the chidi say apomudin ewo ho and the 12th of August 2026 there is a beautiful brand new another brand new day and I can say divine selection no nyame adom na se bi eka ya ade achi na esimi soro nko ade a ye no obedi ehie mu of course ye kan ye so ye ntwantro nyankopon ma ade achi ama ne so ye sanso ehie bia me pa chaw fa phone na ko Facebook na ko hwehwe Coastal TV Cape Coast na okọ YouTube so a but modern say obekọ akohwehwe Coastal TV na say otu TV anima na was scan o TV no na wanya channel 514 eye Coastal TV na oni ache morning make jumedie no ene episode no make sure say on hwe bibia ni wa ebe pa ho tan say pa ho a gisafe your first day di also Emma Yaboafo National Petroleum Authority Patmo Print Diesel Gift Shop and Nesto Ventures asadani bi munso enkoma wankasa o hweye anopay send the link no fama obi me pa show send the social media link no fama obi me pa show midin afiba esien ene me nkwana me wofia say me ne Omar bin Abdallah supported by my indefatigable team ene the morning message media no bro as usual let's start with our morning tea a motivational message a inspirational message no yemfa and share say anope asema ye ne wo eka and say me kind of bro first me and machishim I say real change, enduring change happens one step at a time. We Ruth Bader Ginsburg or no and a cancer same way. Real change, enduring change happens one step at a time. Nititia na nitintin nyina ni se ensesaye ohun emfa edakro ena eba nemum nkakra ena yehu ensesaye ewo ya brabom bibia woye bibia wodi weni atoto bibia wodi owi ahyem na wo hwe kwan se ebeyeye ede ama won ensesaye bia wo hwe kwan se ubehu ewo wa brabom ewo wa setinem no kan hu se enye dakro ena beba ebe check akra na check akra no so na one step at a time nkakra woko wanyim no ena be masa ansesa no aba nti no ye ka se bi se ye mfiti prakopem entu yesi o se den bibisa ena Mizrimu se Jerusalem den na me refi ye nzi ne dakro ye de mfie bebre ne si I think Jerusalem ye nzi ne dakro ye de mfie bebre na esi what I said it means that at the papa bia no emre eda ho ye de mre na eye say bia we share business na si na ebia before so be share say na wo idea bi say business we there and na be mama sika we na be mama nyewe na be mama nyewe but you realize that we share ase no ne wo hwehwe no ebia won sankan ebi kra na first try na mpo boka kan hu say ensesaye it takes time it doesn't happen in one day change doesn't happen in one day and na change bia nso a ebetena ho ache no change bia na ubetimi sustain no emba in one day it happens gradually kakra and as ensesaye no obehu ewo wabrabom emfa ne say onom nsa usmoki ana wo ba abrabom bia unim pa say enye opese unjai enye daba ko na obetimi de ajai dabi na ya we so opese ensesan bia mba abrabom a e wo say it take it time kakra and the fact say kakra no enche say what try na anye yen so unjai yo e wo say you have to work towards it you have to work towards it bibia wo di be gu akwema na mo bia wo betun hihye bia wo be ye adwen bia wo be fa adwuma bia wo be ya ebe masa change no abado e wo se won sha ase na wonye nti se first no na nke bia utimi nom 1 bottle a day at least obetimi ati so let's say 80% of the bottle in a day then say the next week now one 60% of the bottle, the next week 50%. Say a sorting kakran kan by the time I woni be ba won so no na we giants no what I say into an pay me person with the tool she me say ensesanye ohoi it happens gradually me producer almost say Rome was not built in a day Rome into no ade fe ade ye papa bia no ade a ye ni ji ho se ebinya bia no edemre na eba emba in a day even yankopon kra wagya ima na to say no ubenya aduane e de say wo ye adwuma na wonye sika no bia akwakoto banch ne bode by the time aduane be ready no 3 hours later. What I say, bibia a gradual process. Bibia a gradual process. And then what try na any year. Try again tomorrow. A chance will try na any year. Try again the next day. Try until it works. And all twice I try again. No. We say enra the mistake away no. On fan call a china. Sani enra you can share on say mistake na away no. Emfa the same mistake and 1990. Name usien bibi film. Now they are twice, you get better each and every day. That is the motivational message we have for you today, Wednesday's edition on the Coastal TV Morning Mix Jumedie. Now, of course, if you try your so na about from crowds or ne so you then if you wanna see a bar, ye de kasi bar and sa ka wo fie ha say no, ye de ebesum ye tie for ne ahwefo. Na me show crying say me nyi we fidie no emfi Coastal TV Morning Mix Jumedie na ye woni papa bebre ne papa bebre na ya hyehya ye de bro into no stay tuned ye kwaba.
Sell Gift Shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa bambo hu hiya ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo obi bia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa kodwitwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomeden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano utumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
When you cry, be sure to dry your eyes, 'cause better days are sure to come. And when you smile, be sure to smile wide, and don't let them know that they have won. And when you walk with pride, don't show the hurt inside, because the pain will soon be gone. When you dream big, as big as the ocean blue. When you dream it might come true. When you dream big. And when you laugh, be sure to laugh out loud, 'cause it will carry all your cares away. And when you see the beauty all around and in yourself, and it will help you feel okay. And when you pray for strength to help you carry on, and when the troubles come your way. And when you dream big, as big as the ocean blue. When you dream it might come true. When you dream big. When you laugh, be sure to laugh out loud, 'cause it will carry all your cares away. And when you see the beauty all around and in yourself, and it will help you feel okay. And when you pray for strength to help you carry on, and when the troubles come your way. When you dream big, as big as the ocean blue. 'Cause when you dream it might come true. When you dream big. When you cry, be sure to dry your eyes, 'cause better days are sure to come. And when you smile, be sure to smile wide, and don't let them know that they have won. And when you walk with pride. Don't show the hurt inside, because the pain will soon be gone. And when you dream, dream big, as big as the ocean blue. When you dream it might come true. When you dream, dream big. And when you laugh, be sure to laugh out loud, 'cause it will carry all your cares away. And when you see the beauty all around and in yourself, and it will help you feel okay. And when you pray and pray for strength to help you carry on, and when the troubles come your way. And when you dream, dream big, as big as the ocean blue. 'Cause when you dream it might come true. When you dream, dream big. When you laugh, be sure to laugh out loud, 'cause it will carry all your cares away. And when you see the beauty all around and in yourself, and it will help you feel okay. And when you pray for strength to help you carry on, and when the troubles come your way. When you dream, dream big, as big as the ocean blue. 'Cause when you dream it might come true. When you dream, dream big.
Misanso Mwakaba eba Coastal TV Morning Mix Jumedie eso mpacho ebi adwi no kame ho na menyi we fidie no emfi Coastal TV channel 514 Facebook and also say YouTube na efe yemfa kaseba yensa kan ewo Coastal TV efi ha no yemfa ensommo anopai ensema wo bete no ebi eye galamse nsensem a ekoso ewo mfimfi mantem enwa Coastal TV eni EPA Central Region etwetwe enkomo yedemu amane bonyina ebeba ababesomo sanso ena Ghana Health Service impayfo ede krata bi apia bonten a ede ensembi eto omanfo enim efa no antiretroviral vaccines and also enjo a yedema omanfo ewo Ghana hase no eno na eno so yedemu nkomo no ebebomo yebekọ adwaman so na yede fuel price ahodo ewo ho no so yede asom yetiefo. Yeshase Enfree Coastal TV enkoma yene EPA Central Region impayfo ediye ewo efie ha ebra na omoka galamsey ene insuo seye anasa water pollution a akoso ewo mfimfi mantem ehu emom de galamsey no eyo ha kase pa o mamuni nyina haye ewo yensuo yensa asesem ho ene impo ye gold ehu na ne yetene se mfimfi mantem ha so yenso yenye share pa na yebisa mpanyimfo se obi epiemu ewo mfimfi mantem ha se na obisa me se ehefa ene ye illegal mining galamsey ewo mfimfi mantem ha se ya mia ben na yebetimi yaboboso na enra omoche baby potin a even mantem say illegal mining e koso pa e wo ha
region yeka illegal mining baby all kodo pa na makede yefa upper danger area hona both upper danger west and east
okay
illegal mining no okodo ho pa and recently e be able pay wo lower danger nso no so orokodo and sand mining na sand winning na brother Ken so ningina kandam illegal mining no but say mostly in Ghana you can illegal mining now we are all looking at gold mining galamsey no nti efa gold na ya tete the efa KE area hono so a ho so e bi record do ya follow up but anytime ye boko bia na ye nkonkoto obia wo ho nti yen tumi en shada ya te o here see because yen shada nkoto obia wo site but efa lower danger upper danger hono za no record pa in central region almost every time.
Wow.
Almost every time people are calling to report on illegal mining. Makade. Say for upper danger one da. I'm personal in the muhunde osha sacher.
Ache
because the hono gold no hopa nyende no shase. But the ba ke no nye lower danger dey no za on shadan cherry. On shadan cherry so
illegal mining galamsey nsensamia ekoso ewo mfimfi mantem empo Ghana ha nyina no yenyina nim se enya ade bia eye papa na eba ne sana na esesei niema bebre ewo ye environment no emu na in fact etima ahoche bebre nso ede ba ade ba kwa mfimfi mantem ha se no eya na ehaye na illegal mining so na masa ade ba eye yensuo nsensam nsanse mia bebre na obekwa omeka se yensuo no ye pipe try emaye 1 month 2 weeks ne ade so EPM pay for ameyate asese eya na empempi no eye illegal mining galamsey enema sa nyema we nyina eba
mostly the central region on mining or mostly sand winning but them my sister Keno people that we expected or projected or thought that were sand winning, you go there and they are doing gold mining. Yes. Inti esha epkwenheno shona most amhiano wakwetri and wakwetri because one why sand winning no the main reason wape yep EPA and other stakeholder institutions wape the war regulate on activities is to show them how often and one for doing ye and anyama one for ye but one beji them licensing ya or say these kind of regulations about sahana was when in your besia obotua na hanaku na wako baby for free and these activities are distracting the environment, they are destroying the environment. We are losing our forest reserves. We are losing sand because it has a major role to play in the ecosystem. And in central region, about sand, about protection of our oceans or coastlands, we are losing it. And then the forest reserves where people are digging and then destroying the land, we are also losing all of those.
So yeah, share level of destruction illegal mining will across the central region. Makade Heninsu. I think recently, not quite long, around Swedru, water shortage be bay. Now we sumpo wanum until we complain bebre. Ningina was caused by this illegal mining because na baby one water treatment plant one. Them galamsey what say insuno. Inti we treat krana able to may treat them brother kade the stability of water no ono nche de insuno people to my very clear also now I contaminated inti able to me the even more so a contaminated water what the alum gum na nwa na ato but ono nche de insuno polluted metals, some poisonous metals be you can't see with your eye. And see them of course water shortage. I think Heman area such a Heman also maybe most Cape Coast and Elmina what treats one so fibano. It also got contaminated because baby water main source of water ofino. We get our source of water from most of the rivers. Into the river, which river I don't really know, river so whether it's Prow or what. The river no got contaminated. Into Shina no what's a brehen mpono. No shada papa. Ningina wa cause illegal mining or yada wa or a main or whole central region. Yeninsu. Insuno or disturbing power central region. Yeah. Na it's bana yezino mo wodi dia kontombre introba na azono the metals no wo assassin mu no bekedo am kontombre motor from the jukwa area ho e ho ne bekede habem motor na habana ase na wazoba but the area ho nyina so we galamsey and these metals get into the soil kontombre na introba no wodi no wadam soil ya mu nti orinye nyina no ningina see health wise no them illegal mining or affecting big time of central region.
It is out of the Minsuyana when water supplies Ghana water they treat it and then supply to us. Obandama first off there is shortage of water and the treatment of water the cost in treating the water is very high. It increases the treatment in Obandama. They will also exceed their budget on for a year we will spend this amount of money in treating water, but then they will exceed it into maybe our bills were bad high. No complain and banning but then you don't know the mining activities are on a woman student so the cost of treatment would go a long way to affect how much you are even paying for water.
When in Sambia EPA Central Region are or more office at Cape Coast or money Coastal TV education and Komono or more ekaye na yet so ebisa paying for say na sanet here dia and na EPA paying for so a day and a moye e dey source or how we ano
EPA ye nyama bebre Obadam illegal mining now. We are doing our best. In my area, ni being education. You call radio, you call other TV stations, you call schools, you call communities. You want kasa. You educate one on enyama or the ye na ma only de ye na yezobo yenushu na yenezi banohoban. The menu may be a very essential nyimpa na abrabom. Say nyensha, we know what can happen. Enyezi banosha, we know what can happen. Into the menu may be say nyimpa yebenya nkwa na ya atena ase ye nyina chara. The menu may be ye here. Into EPA you're around, you're pro, right? Yes, you're pro. Yeah, but the way for the menu manu. You educate people on this illegal mining, on how they can. We sometimes we are like people are like illegal we should stop mining. EPA we don't say stop mining.
Okay.
Rather we educate people on how to mine.
All right.
How to mine. Mining able to me mine, but in shade the whole able to mine for it not to be illegal. Illegal actually real one eye. But them ebeye na aye ni ye no eba fa kwan papa do aye onka fa hawo oda bro bia no se eba EPA na ahye ye kyerɛkyerɛw na ya mo permit able to eza aye adwuma and in kyerɛkyerɛ ni bi how to reclaim the land se akogalamsey sites bebrea what to amuna no was so we no we gya to we gya amuna na to won katado Eda me say assassin. Incha mine area no san pia the tinofogu. amunenim back na onye level for some time obotu mu asan wa be fertile bio ma ejuma na ye wodo no ebi oye haban whatever ye wo asasan do no ebotum ya ye wodo ni nyina ka enyema EPA ye ho ono nye yan how kesa ye face now and I think on ye KE
okay
agona egwafo area ho na worry them illegal mining no. We've been there on several occasions. Before ni yan adwene point dey bia ye kade ye rekwo a ibi matip off. So we decided that we'll go. Wabra yanka even among ourselves enyimpo there ochine rekwo ha get into the car na ekwo. But ye hu say nyi fa na we ye adwuma no. Sa na pa na we ye adwuma no. So we na ahomachew.
But mbakwa na science say
enyama akukupo edo na kire there. Such thing is ongoing. But ye nyobia. One so other side is ye kokoto ho no. We talk to them. We don't make arrests. EPA we don't make arrests. So ever be make arrest and it means we are coming together with the police.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, we don't make arrests. Nti say ye baboto was site we talk to you calmly. Ye nyina odo bi azizi. Nti ye mbade ye best say 180 ban but ye nyo bakasa boko na ya church odo no embra wo ho enhyehyɛ wo ho nti ye day ana abraham office na ye nkyerɛkyerɛw ekwana ebe fada ebe nye permit na ekwana ebe fada ebe minor onka how obi for anonka how ye na mostly minors no ye na adwenyi do am hwehwɛ sika. So I'm going for the gold. I'm going to mine on farm whatever happens. But we tend to forget that our is no ochine bi obaka uba. Our shishiska but sika na request yerba. And yerba bi ni yerka henu so ni henezi bani. Uba betizi wa so mpo obaka hu. Nti in a way no ye nyo bi ye hia ye hu. The minus nyo bi ni yere hia ni yere ye hu because in one way or the other it will affect us.
On permitting. First off, your permit facilities and organizations are wire mining. Permitting in the sense that you can't illegal mining. It's not just about the practices. It's about onye ekwana ye fado mine nkote oye nyama yes mine na the way aye no ono mo oye illegal. Nti if EPA be more permitter ebe hu de akọ Minerals Commission enyo na ezin komo Minerals Commission am permit de ebetuma akodo ihe so ya manwa nini na nhyehyɛ beba nti nhyehyɛ no a obeba no ebe hu de o meye ndemi iyi na oda mezeye oye dama chemical you know oda mezeye. It will even go further to show you there masa asene ye yamfande baby aye weni na obechodo them portion of land na go do ho ama warempo as a galamsey or a miner no emba embotu ha na ehu de hwini ha na eja ekotu ha na ehu de hwini ha na eja ekotu ansa na nya bibi and all of these things obeboa ihe nyina obeboa timemufo obeboa awere ejuma obeboa abanso biom no okay bibi about going men tackle Yerko site biom no yebotumako if we don't permit you or if we are not regulating your activities yentum enchechew inti if yenim there concession A wa hadia yenim there eba Mr. A Mr. B no concession oh and they are around here but showing activities just last week your call monitoring away confi it wasn't on Galamsey it was on health facilities hospitality and it was just a very friendly visit there yamo krata de fe juma yamo shishe de fe juma nti yaba de na ye bohwe de ye kede yedemi ye kede fedemi to demi area on antine nam nti if we permit you we can help you in undergoing or undertaking your activities. Fast forward to compliance enforcement. Ono so ye another activity EPA or yes in the fight against galamsey. Tedema my sister kada ye tumu Caulfield. Yeko na ya kwahwe we mu warrior mining. They are not they don't have permits, they don't have the right licenses. Nti ono say ni aban police for nam yabana yense so ma ya arresto me assure there's any pattern ya galamsey wo yemfan de keyi na what the wache bi na 8 na wakan ebia honi na wonje but out of the 8 ebenya 3 na 2 bia obechi ono ye a step further. Okay. And the last thing my sister obozin is education. Dama ebi na ye yetina ha ebi obi wo ha wo ye galamsey woni de nechi moni mani do wona wo mechi wo ye galamsey we wo mam 1000 wo mam 2000 nti amezizi na na mezizi but onim de otina bi obenene nsonsoni bi ba obebene no obenya o hwe Coastal TV obehu de o ochede demina oti obafa no ho adwen ebi obi wo wa o ye galamsey ano ezizi nti onim mo fimo bo onim mo ati mo yanyi do pe bibia ye wa kozi obi na echi wo ye galamsey obetina we hu de o demi na meye ombo manen ombo ahangasa sunti odamotwe so the fight against galamsey it is beyond EPA, it is beyond Minerals Commission, Ghana Water Kahu, Ghana Police. It is a stakeholder joint operation and although biazin hoshim na ye EPA urban hombres and EPA reabia or recently NCU moko around from the head office. Okay. Of course shops and store warehouses or chamfan that is materials and was it and then they seized a whole lot were lucky be. So it is a very huge fight. But last year July 2025 His Excellency the President declared war on galamsey. That should tell us the intensity or how dire the situation is. Into my EPA botum no or ye best said there other stakeholder institutions no we nim don won so ye juma but onye nyam kotin ye hia hemfo ye hia community it comes down to the last person, the ordinary Ghanaian. Nti EPA has intimate about to the hin na ye nsom na ye fight against galamsey. Because my sister say one ya one ye hankasa yeah.
Yes, wakase boni so ana ye kwa kopemu ewo Ministry of Health. Sese America se mpanyinfo e de krata bi epu monten so omode ensem bi eto Ghana fo nyina ene omanfo nyina enim. Na krata ye epu abonten eye muaye anaso se nchechemu ayede Ghana fo enkanka omanfo a enya yare friend say HIV. Na ye from say network of persons living with HIV in Ghana, NAP Ghana. Na krata yi eye nsensem bi ana ekoso ewo mframam na nkofo bi ka say eye antiretroviral drugs and say medicines ayedema nkofo ewo HIV ewo Ghana ha say no ebi ashort ewo Ghana ha say ebi mpompo ka say ne ewo ho no expiry dates aka no ne ade a eno na Ministry of Health epese oka eche Ghana for eno omanfo nyina se sansam no enye no krakra na antiretroviral medicines no de ebi eda so ewo Ghana. In fact ebi ewo health center bia obe wa adwen se odi wani ebe chiremu ewo ho no ubenya bi ewo ho nti enye no kreda se sa nwe a short ewo Ghana ha say ministry no so eche mu se oni eye Ministry of Health, Ministry of Health ni chemu se one eye epomudin aso ni nyina eye nhyehyeye a ebeboa ama eniema ehia eye tools and equipment eni enura ebeboa ama omanfo a enya HIV ewo Ghana ha se no omo apomudin ebesiye no ombe make sure se ni nyina ewo health centers a obia ensa ebetoso ebi na womo so a eka se eye antiretroviral medicines no ebi egu pot a expiry date aka no ISPA no eno sonso nokre bia enimu sa na omo kyeremu se enhyehyeye bia omo de begu akwan mu ama enyo bia ababegu pot a esese mpanfo eyi free pot no ombe make sure se omo afa ni nyina afi ho na omo de akọ eye health centers na obia nso ensa akabi enti no so obi ba no be ka kyerɛ se HIV no waga na ha se no a short and also say expiry date akana sini hu esanse no kre bia enni sa asem no emu o kire mu se omanfo yi edie no omapomudin de edo makoma so pa enti no bibia e wo so omoye na omode hwese apomudin ebekoye e waga na ha se no omo ebeye krata yopanya ni hwasa se eye Tony Goodman ono eneye Ministry of Health no spokesperson. Ye free one so na ye de ni ehwemu ewo edwaman so ene eye the 12th of August 2026 no four prices ahodo a ye wo no e wo se ye hwe na ye de to Ghana for nyina anim na me ka hwe na wa hwe ne nso se ne be ya se upia abonte we driver ni wankasa ukita wo car na wahu ni se upie monte so se wo kwa koto fuel anase petrol any diesel a ebo a ene ubetua no eno no nti se wo de wani ehwemu e wo Shell filling station bia dia o ka se auto petrol na 1 liter na water sika ubetua no 16 cedis 29 pesos sanso na diesel no 17 cedis 49 pesos go filling station ma petrol ne boy 15 cedis 99 pesos na diesel no 17 cedis 26 pesos. Star oil ese petrol bo 15 cedis 57 pesos and a diesel near 18 cedis 97 pesos. Okopiemu ewo Zen filling station bia dia petrol bo 15 cedis 20 pesos and a diesel near 16 cedis 46 pesos. Well, baby at a JP filling station no petrol 1 liter 14 cedis 53 pesos and a diesel no 16 cedis 97 pesos. Frames oil and so ebema petrol 1 year 14 cedis 15 pesos and a diesel no 17 cedis 35 pesos. Total energies and so ese petrol 1 liter 13 cedis 99 pesos and a diesel near 15 cedis 95 pesos. Na okopiemu ewa Benab oil na Benab filling station so petrol 1 liter 13 cedis 80 pesos and a diesel near 16 cedis 27 pesos. What Pacific filling station and so petrol 1 liter 12 cedis 79 pesos and a diesel no 15 cedis 98 pesos. Where any filling stations are who do be a ho and as a ukopiemu ewa cityrate.com ubenya na fe odi aye wa ho boa sene ese na efata ha na mre ne krabia be makwan ama ye the Coastal TV morning mix kase about the Wednesdays edition ye de nyina abano ewie na me ka wo se bomodi ase wunyi we fidie no emfri Coastal TV digital channel 514 because ye were other activities, other programs, interviews and other discussion sessions and so aye de ebro nti bomodi am we fidie no enna ha mayenja boa for nkrato ye basisia.
sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority, ebo bibia kokose, se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se, okosisa petrol anafa ngo no. Ena afenso, menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho, akwa akodwetwa videos, ana pictures. Na petrol anafa ngo wo hwenso, uhua ko wo mu a, enye sunsun asobone, ewo apomeden semso. Fango nso, eho ahometinti no. Enfomso akitu ebi, ebetumi ameja tom, ama na gise ewom. Eba ne saa, nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya kwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
Mami Sanson Emma Wakaba Embra Coastal TV Morning Mix Jumedie and Ubusu a wo hwe e your digital channel no so 514 Facebook and YouTube but more than say one sesa channel no yento aso na efe yemfa the one krata na yensa aka no yemfa ensom yetiefo ene yahwefo Omar bin Abdallah
Achaba
bonsoir
Mense Mo acha na mechi
apome
Mejire penti orade
Unya pinti kranti me nya ho hwe. Menso me ho ye wan bisa me but menso me ho ye.
Chema na bisa wa.
Adom ne ehumo bronti.
Kokwa etumeli yale anye mo bisa an.
Adom ne ehumo bronti.
Ana pe yale tia kan.
Atanfo ye nipa.
Atanfo ye yimpompo nche wonto ya hwe bo. Uske su tamam. Uske su tamam nta ore ske ho edwuma na etum na ye.
Akwaba.
Ye na.
If you to say. Ifie asomdwe ya edina nto de masomdwe na no ofie me etumi da be okay dem ko fi bi so mpere adofo no watamfo won say oh adofo no za no hodo da no atamfo no za yankopon hyiram da wotanum mati fasomdwe na ntio wazo fasomdwe tra yo all right into no Omar bin Abdallah yento aso na yemfa the ubon krata no enre yetiefo ene date ni 12 August 2026 into no and pay me be daily graphic front page in the first na me hu ye Galamsey why gala first na me hu ye Galamsey papa gala what Galamsey destroys 60% of rivers. Scientists raise alarm over implications. Me my Ghana yeah you ye chi hu bi papa wa Ghana ha say nti rivers I wa Ghana ha say no about 60% and I say but your president our Ghana has say
president
local government representatives your ministers members of parliament your police your soldiers in fact your military personnel but Galamsey say nyema Ghana has say and nobody is doing anything about it. Oh, it's sad. It's a very, very sad. Because a very sad distance. Very, very sad.
I did be a sick woman.
Oh, so no pay crab motivation am the man say bibia papa wo hwehwe no. It doesn't come at go and ba all of a sudden. It's a key gradual process and san na the corner ba.
Yeah.
Nti okase bibia ala isika wo no it takes a long time emetiase but the thing is sanka ye shase that time na galamsey shase na ye shase say ye di huduma anka by now 60% e bia anka bia ye nya be 30% anka ye nya 60% anka bia 30% ne ene ye nya
adona mpanyifuna ra wo kada yenja mpanyifuna so home binum wo ho. Yes, the last time I remember mobile behind the Zana pay.
Bobby didn't cry on my father.
Chissy. Some movie of him, we waste my time. From on your House of Chiefs, gate now, main road. I want some women come for Johnson. From what to call Agri, upon whom it is sent, wire two bootin. In tractors, galamsey, never cotin, and water come in a convoy form. Nephew to
Galamsey,
paying business nation. We shall pay bill company night. No, the local. So, Babasanaco, and the man to my western region. No, the crack head with the Kutula. Galea, no good do Kutu. Into I don't know.
That time near social studies. Now you see rivers we have in Ghana and the particular locations on war.
This is Gala River.
Mia Mikrom and Cobra River is fault. It's the issue. This way cry and near lights.
This way another out of bread.
Hey. Yes, so is this the future? A Gen Z's for any future generations.
And a pay na Mary hot property be a pay. You know that's at 11:30 p.m. More inside down a metal sound castapa and mopay. Mopay never pipe impression. I pay. The I send pictures and videos, Madame a manager. I will distribute him. Motion Sawamba fire. So we go fiti any down the front beside the pay. It's made my videos, make sure pictures. No matter send it. The problem was or a main lie or supply or your community. It's main lie or supply community is that no on ye be an answer that say and water from a barber because if you are in your button wine it is a it's David why them a friend lights are our community no hot the low tension supposed to is community Paul be one number internal electricity for say the stick and possibly be cut on pool one of say but Paul be our number
okay
nti say itumu quote number na otumo born itumu quote number so na ebe area na oh meti oye Morocco low tension Paul no see community me phone low tension
all right
nti say keka high tension na chemo si haban ani high tension nti Paul so see community ya low tension nti anu no oh Morocco ha low tension on e be the prepare ja ECG for na baba how about by ho aji won gbia sika nti the same applies to the main lies are all community bi woman aka saka sitira nti anu say ya what was for na all baba by ho aji na e was small ones ami ma atwi ko mefie e be so atwi ko nefie anu tochima awa oya wozan awona wode ababa repair ni tua plumber make nti kasiya wa be ja na no oya yeah for what was for when I said that what about mazina if you
okay let's just hope so all right in turn of pay arehosem where arehosem daily graphic e dey abano no 60% of Ghana yensu ansu aye wo ha say no ni nyina destroyed by galamsey activities okay so poor court administration erodes public trust chief justice na ekazei or say the way you see a year in Yama ewo court you see di asem ewo court enema bi ekoso wo court a entwe yie nti no amanfo bebre Ghana fo bebre na omugidi a omwo ewo court system nim no sa gidie ni nyina apepa na wo de wasem kona se utimi tu ya bribe pay be di ama ane nya kan ho ni nyina ama public trust ewo ye court system nim no ekofom Okay, Senate targets 2.8 million active members by 2028. Omasha ase pa omu buso omoye. Ai, entino by 2028 no, omo hwe ani mu say 2.8 million nipa mako 2.8 million na ba beka eye Senate system no eho. Take your anti-HIV drugs religiously. GAC na eka sasemo adherence rate pegged at 57.6%. Obaso oche say nkofo bi o ha omo nimpa so mo HIV ya mo mo adwo so omo nom but omo so ban tse Suzy omo mpa adwo nom eni ntino enya ade a why are you laughing? What I don't know what you
Ebi na le boni ze na o boni ye se na bi bo.
So wonni mu ho a won twen mo obi meka ma.
Na mo se ebi na le yim no ho a.
Zankrofo no ennom adwo no se na ye wo se omonom no nti se wonni se wo HIV e wo Ghana ha se ya bomode ya se wo benom adwo a ye de ama wo no en na beje wo nkwa because eno pa ho a bibia ni ho ampa e wo kra enje. Aha, daily graphic de e na anope wo de aba no.
Yeko, my former graphic, original graphic, also 2 students win Global Science Award for Clean Water. Ghana. No, still no win award. Graphic.
For all you know, ebia a project be on ways I obet me clean water and I obet me purify water. And yes, ebia Ghana ha clean water nintina yamo mo award there be.
Well, the way Ghana ha former Guziam ye tunjehu. Eke clean water biara na cha aya atete nti aya junior graphic no nsam nti ya mama ze na fi wo so from about nsam a do baby otomo wo so otomo hia dobuto. How can we fight drug abuse? No so na gure wotwe easy na no so obuto aboa the afroba kasa cha ne yanko afroba wotum no akọ na yim na kasa cha ne yanko nti ya mama ze na fi enkoto oye graphic no na yentum na yemboa. The Marathon was a national essay competition 2026 junior graphic so tomorrow come out photographic na the main 7 year if you be going.
Yes, also the daily analyst won't be chairman Nimfoni wa hase one attorney general fair nicely represented. Now I say bail request won't to me is a significant flight risk AG tells court. Now Oze untumi ninsam na e course na e betre ba ko na yesi won kodam for 20 years and the second one Nimri forest distractions and so on so is ongoing near the ade na bill bi apiepie ma cha say anka ye hwehwe bill e de ama untumi na ne tie ne say attorney general say untumi oye significant flight risk uja no de no won say yesi nko obi de no aka nwura but we won fa no nkan nwura no beka plane nti eno ne ensem bia ekoso e wo ha say security shake up Ayamdo Donko Saka others reassigned and also something that is happening in the security sector. There is a shake up a reshuffle biso ekoso e wo ho already na ministerial reshuffle and yes and so military and answer security hono. Galamsey crackdown 40 arrested over 6 regions. Across 6 regions, go for mako 40 and I actually almost say omudi Galamsey ehudjuma ewo 6 regions are ewo Ghana has say government reaffirms commitment to empower Ghanaian youth on International Youth Day. And you know abano ade nsembi atuja se eyeden a niema ode be gu akwam ama Ghana emabunu so omotimi agina omonan so na omoda achi esi omu yie no obetimi ayinesa ade ama wo modin nsemi to dwabra na ye di International Youth Day. Government launches 3.5 million Ghana cedis Ghana agricultural fund. Inti abano apa dwumadie bi ehuntuma eye agricultural fund, Ghana agricultural fund. Na sika da so no eye 3.5 million Ghana cedis. Okay. Inti new appointment mi so akoso wa say Naomi Alabi appointed curator for Ghana Cultural Showcase at US Homowo Festival and also Nsema Ekoso ewo the daily analyst.
Yeko New Central Carter and so as Ababi de Gua US and some why US prosecutors linked AKSA's 42 million US dollars fee to alleged bribe. Nti anwa the man say me odizizira man now light out to my nature until she be because this is the way out telling and that as at 12 in here makado ne debu makada just follow the stories of what me know yeah but I don't think the way been is within a short time yemfe bia yemfa to papa won to me within a short time wa man baby don't
care it's not within a short time it has taken years asam na actual court no
years in the time na man o bobo nkrata no
ese we so afia na ba
pap mami we think Canada wa me bi ukọ
no US Ghana ha no we Ghana man time
and our operation to remember no so the shekaba the mouse na oye achebezi nkanika na aja oye mu papa e bia wa to retire the number of years the fancy teacher retire
no
like
okona hu meji
na mampena asana friend na ba
e bia ya say yem frɛ wa bra yem consult o call retirement na me frɛ o say bra na be host money
so mampena aye ni shekaba baby so mampena dasi ai the mouse Ibrahim mama ni dwumeje otomorezi oye nkura ho a otomode ahemfo no amena yiko sene juma 400 new jobs na wotum na waba me mebu na pii wo mo de na fi wotum na waye ejuma na etum na akwayim SHH to rescue government abandoned agenda 111 projects ebe da hunase so fu panyina eja so fu hunayim ma etum e kan sampa na be kan abo na mpaso kan ho na corporation papa da etum na aboa ma anamorto a otum notedam etum na akwayim IMF sama no so owo kata no do nti bo maza kwata kata no osabaka oya da mensam ni nyina.
The Custodian newspaper say US investigators flagged $42 million for Ghanaian firm in AXA Energy deal. Okay, I can't want some dada. Now, at the end say when it is coming, it is doing. Chief Justice rubbishes Ghana Bar Association concerns on legal vacation. And to know akwamana yama ewo legal system no emuno. Ye tie ne say edan ya cases so ewo hwa wo se ye hwe na yedi. Na courts and answer lawyers for you almost on vacation so they don't want to come. And some no so say ewo courts no so say ye hwe na ye kan wasam. Say the last time America unya asema I was say won hwe like 1 month later na say 3 months later and say you was 17 no ubenya asem na court amakwa. Okay, NPP accuses CJ of partisan conduct over vacation trial warrants. Na NPP for so monti ase say fencing vacation e course na still na nkofo ye pesi edi asem e course na say come here say some political something is going on onya me party ni a na ma kire osam ya kakra eno ne ensem bi so e course wa ha say. Okay, Attorney General opposes bill for Winsme pending appeal. Okay, I can't want some dada. And SDA offers lifeline to abandoned Agenda 111 project. That's nice. I think SDA for the omuye, you know. In fact, if they're able to do it to the tier, and I'm looking forward, so going forward, no, your religious bodies, no, most of them will also come up to support this initiative. Abina say, so bija projects away chair. Ebeye den pa say the new one no ebetwa so tieja your religious body see mommo den na momboa we your personal appeal. Okay, Oma yento so okay enti no say me dey call Business and Financial Times as well. Trade grew nearly 9-fold to $52.5 billion from 2004 to 2025 as exports drive record 148.3 billion Ghana cedis surplus. We aye improvement akoso ewo ye edwadie mu trade and sensemu ewo Ghana ha say na report e say ekonanim pa mo in fact double ninefold na say they are born be say 9 times acha say sika mpa efi mobile between 2004 to 2025 no we can in aboma be say 52.5 billion US dollars na say ye dwade ho nsensem ekonanim pa asante hene calls for wider tax mobilization rich nti asante hene otumfo say 82 enso na echemu say Ghana Revenue Authority person omonji sika na omonji ni ye wo say omo tax mobilization no omo modern say ombetre omo ahiem to a wider community enye nipa kakra bi na de bia ombeje tax afim ho ne mo so make sure say the wider community of Ghanaians no etiase no metimi age omo tax afiri wo ho nipa tiase a na obeye ti wensu yensem bi afiri ho eba Agric Education Fund GAFET targets 100 million Ghana cedis to deepen education. To also in regard to education on agric and also agriculture Ghana has say fund be that's why a friend say GAFET fund no or target is to say 100 million Ghana cedis no beboa ama education concerning agriculture so ebetimi akonenim Ghana has say. All right. The new crusading guide at the Ensembi Abba in the front page. So now I say probe Birim MCE. Shraj orders OSP. He faces corruption probe over alleged 15,000 Ghana cedis extortion from illegal miners. Okopiemu ewo Brima MCE ya owohono Shraj HM say OSP modern pa no nkoye na investigation gidigidi enye investigation ketwa investigation pa say allegedly no omugidi say waje sika bi a 15,000 Ghana cedis every illegal miners galamsey fo bi ho na wa mo kwan say omunye adwuma ewo birim intino investigation enkoso ewo no sana charge for eka DVLA defense expired license penalties says charges were approved by Parliament. And the DVL so HM say wow license I expire o renew e bia ma na expire check na we wa do say o renew penalties bi wo ha obetua penalties of course enye adona obekwa akodo esika na obetua na eno na koyen sentem bebre na manfo bebre na NTS say me kwa renew me license so identity na we say ye gimi sika sa na DVL HM say Parliament en such as say emrashe bedwam atenase na omaye yeye ene no ewo ho enu nti na sa penalties no ateki effect na enye se bia omope na omode ye bibi sa 9 months intensifies galamsey crackdown okay yaka wansam dada Western North NPP regional chairman steps down endorses McDaniels nyame okay nzo kopiemu ewo Western North nso NPP regional chairman wakotenase like was step down on call race no ebiem nemum ordinary support e de ama Owura McDaniels nyame say ono no emagina ne ento ne so aba as MPP regional chairman for Western North. Okay, nti we so
aboko bibia
eden
what's not in the man
in some politics dey me mfa me ho njijim ne won ma somebody ameka but me mfa me ho njijim ebia in the future I'll consider being a member of parliament.
Why?
What are you saying?
Morocco
saying.
Morocco constituency.
Watch out for me.
Yo, Marty.
Never.
I'm
a campaign manager.
Me? Who is that? Yo, but one of them made it of you. Inform a crowd, so Gala steals Ghana's children until Moframa or and the amount of Western region, which are. I galam say tower into ama awunya we fi school we jai we just school together so that could be a tower I could name ma in 5 I got 5 so ho hey 10,000 Ghana cedis to me say easy Ghana Bar Association warned Chief Justice over alleged vacation ruling I want so na we say that we kaji wan humi na wan so e ti that we ka there court as the me finish wa Inti Damina Asaminati MPP hit over Belko bribe case. Inti hit is an baba. Inti issue 2013 Bisibiria the men semi na autumn no arokodo nti mpanyefo ahona wokaji sika no bi na ho so wanje bi sisia obaba no baby wano kai wano wa himemi bi no yima 22 billion Ghana cedis loss. Minority interested in accountability gold board into na automobile minority also so 22 billion Ghana cedis losses in opeda also otum na o mehwehwem tum kwadoba papa nti papa for your markings wa catch oya samije fi da mama zinara na fi ontum na amanity do the mehwehwem ontum na kwadom GNAUA strike over pay gap nti yati pay gap no umama jina nkonkutia Dr. Rashid Pepo, our Minister of Labor and Jobs and Employment which one?
Employment I dey magana phobia.
Job employment.
Una unya bi obi anya bi.
Yo mate nti yati nti da mensami na orize him ahoro or informal crata no do. Na sister, women and leadership. Asoma wa ban che wala na kankan over all.
I didn't say women in leadership them na menkan.
Oh, nche wa we yanko fa ya tan hu.
Enye me yanko for ye nyina ye yanko.
Women and leadership.
Gender equality na ye kan. That's
gender equality. Women
everybody is inclusive.
I want to tell you the women and men.
Why specifically for women? It is a man every day and there's nothing wrong with it.
It's a damn better. No, me
no, it's not how you be quants and if you be the rest of the hours ever quants.
Never the last time I came and apparently.
Women and leadership newspaper for ourselves. Sexy Vida reportedly dies after pregnancy loss. Almost say or a popular TikToker. Me, I don't really know her, but they say she's very, very popular. And unfortunately, we film. After the pregnancy loss, after say the saying be near the na ama eno nam so ama ni wo akwa banti no ye mebusuafo nyina yakọ. Vice President calls for holistic approach to tackling Kayaye challenges. Oma ke post mo Kayaye wo hase.
Kokoto kraba not much but Kotokraba no academy fun no do so ahun so tumo yusu fi
emema Kayaye Kayaye ne waso awa pampam
ayi ne mele emema no do so wa adusuem but msafo no entire hu ayeke kusa
oko baby ti say Accra ni Kumasi dia
na no kwada ne ze America too
oish
adena
nyina nchen
amado na adusu na
pia watu baby
amado na adusu na wanpo hunde no mu yedu but anu gba no mu yeduruman
now Vice President Professor Jane na ochemi say kase hawa kaya yefo efam no ye pese yeso ano e wo say yeso ano from all angles holistically na say ye tackle kakra bi ni aso ano kakra bi e wo say ye hwe ne ye nyina. Focus Electronic sets example in job creation, workers welfare. Trade Minister na obo Focus Electronics for no obo mabaso san say omo lead by example say omo create enwuma emabuni na omo edwuma ye for no so omo ho ehia omo yiedie ene omo enkanko ehia omo papa. Corporate Ghana International Community rally behind flood victims. Enti Corporate Ghana and other international communities and so the almost support flood year 29th of June. Flood now of course so Ghana has say no enkanka Accra no go for mo kan no and a Corporate Ghana and that international bodies and the support abre womo sanso ana know the law before you travel. A caution to Ghanaian women seeking opportunities abroad. Into when so say article be actual about near what's about emra some year what's ansana what me to quite if Ghana has a enkanka say oye oba na say opese unsiki opportunities outside Ghana. It was so sa emra semi ansana we to quite when so okoto the women and leadership newspaper no na say ubiemu kenkan ubehu all the details and all the updates from there.
Thank you, lady. Supreme Okata za abedego ayina nimos ya ayekuwa abanu tumeto yo february to be wo kan na zambado na fi oyefo maguza wo sa hini suno abamaze na fi wotum na wache hon yimpo 40 na wotum na wache hon na nnumu pi wo ho a wajejeji oya hon nzama into 6 regions na da mejumezi otomo ko into 6 regions nya wotu fo meguzi na akajejeji nzama za na Ghana wa asambo no ti se yi 6 ne fima na cha aka 10 na 6 foforo de baka hon anwo no wuri jami anada ayana be fene this in you ko church time what is back na ga jara chama what the 10 bay we man haiti we bonde wula ma Ghana time what is this back just a few days no what is this back we man ya we you ko ya how many regions in am church tell show we wait it's be fa go ho yo kwa sisi we bonde wuri challenge 10 regions in Ghana what is this akama omo amazon if you want to na unto ho na mo na omboa nti da autumn no ho
na oma on said no na me bisa EPA for no mobile ni say Blue Water Guards no you will be what Central Region has say ana no me say you will be ha you will be ha
God for no ha atre wo she bi nkoten
ye de nkofo akọ school akọ ni wo mo say omo duty omo sole responsibility and say omo bebo Ghana ye water bodies no ehun ban. So why are we now seeing 60% of rivers in Ghana destroyed by galamsey activities? What is the main responsibility of the Blue Water Guards? I hope government is not paying them.
I don't know what they do now for kuchene bimba. And 60% in Sina say.
I think we have to go and look for those Blue Water Guards. 6
regions. What to mark at Honda? Naturally, 6 and 9.
Blue Water Guards were saying show.
The Blue Water Guard of Funalan. Ora ahono gugwalun su ka ho ga na ahwa ibi ogina ho na olongu gwal nsu no nchi bia
Otizame
obo pim mpo asase mpo ntum ntemi ka na okutemi ka wonso aso ya wotu mo ahya hya wontan na ataba na isu se enko site ho bi da ami ma akọ kakra ye na ofikal ni san no convoy ni gina wakal kwan ho aba me police here another guard and they should cast I mean mon ko inside but baby wo ha ado na rekisin awenyi dada man adam akwala yin biraba e wona he mbira so so oda itu me hembiru na fe heart fo bon komo nti tanko fakro ko na fe enko nti bebe budu ayi
na akara dem say SC4 ni agenda 111 ne legal vacation ne kan ho na de fancy haya na Ghana nsensam de o kan kra nya de o bi da ade achi ade be ade sen efofra na eba enti no yentwa ho na yenje aboafo enkratso na yensa campaign for ofiasa ye ba bedi nkomo no me nkan kyerɛ e wo say ye ko break ni ba ansa na makaje nse o pese o nkomo kra ye ba bedi a o mode an say o be kwaso no atena ha atwen ye kwa ba twen yesisi a
Sisi Bobu Musa Yokalide Yokalide Hello It's in Robini Mana I can't tell you Kofi Kinata so check Oh Mana 0244 when you feel me pedama dibina Damasidu Check it out, no damasidu. The pedama, no damasidu. Check it out, I will baby, wanna be a magic moon. Me and I was salamutum, and I made a bit with my son in the moon. I will baby,